Coba di sana. Di sana.
Harus kasih baju.
Mama, kau nggak nampak?
Sama.
Woi, bentar dulu kak, Miss mau action kak. Kamu berbahasa Inggris sekalian?
SMP.
Orang merah. Ini benar kak. Ini per merek. Oh bukan, lo kakak menghilangkan. Ini kan kakak. Oh iya, ada yang saya sudah foto. Tapi nama adekmu Sheryl.
Wait ya. Wait.
Ya, yang mana yang dulu? Nah, konsepnya kalian lah, bukan aku menawan kalian. Oh, pertama.
Bukan nih.
Iya. Ini enggak. Itu udah jalan itu? Udah oke, udah on kameranya itu? Baru sih.
Hello ma'am, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine.
We are from SMA Negeri Haturaya. We'll conduct an interview about your experience in the world of education. But first, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Apriani Girsang.
I'm Natalia Saragi.
So, the interview will record. Will ma'am allow it?
Muslim ini nggak tahu
Yes. Okay, thank you ma'am. We apologize in advance if our English is not good.
Okay, your English is so good.
Now, first question will read by
Okay, before the question, may I introduce myself? Yes, because I think this is the new. Yeah. Okay. Because the prophet said, unknown to unlaw, kepala mengatakan tak kenal maka tak sayang. So it's better I introduce myself to all of you. Okay, my name is Nirma. My family name is Hasan. So the familiar name is the public name or my calling name is Nirma. Miss Nirma, I live here in Pematang Raya, in Kota Baru, and then I am an English teacher. I get married. I have two daughters. So my husband Saragi sudah lebih exactly. Suami saya sudah group. So yes, I think this is the good practicing for you to improve your English. Okay, we can continue. What is the question?
If so, how long have you been uploading the work of education?
How long have you been
Upload
Yeah, it's okay. Closing
the work of education.
the word of education. I have been an English teacher when I was a student in university. The third semester I am a student in university. I taught the student. Aku sudah mengajar mulai dari mahasiswa semester 3. So I think it's about 2004 I have been a teacher. The second question.
What ups and downs have you experienced while studying education?
Experience in English. Okay, up and down in education as long as I am a teacher. Many students like you also many children doesn't interest to study English. Many students don't like study English. Yeah. Upnya, some of students who interest study English, they be able to speak in English, and maybe the student graduate from Bimbel, from course, many students have the teacher, have the worker in kapal pesiar in the sector.
25 kan? 2 tambah 2 4.
As a teacher,
Mana sih 45? Kan ini
anyone.
kan 2 tambah 5 kan 5, 2 tambah 2 4.
I thought I'm teaching
Ini kan
in
25
in Simbel, and
1
then I am a teacher also in SD Persontohan,
100
and then
125.
I am
25
I
kali
am
125.
a
Tambah
teacher
20.
also in kindergarten.
Ini kan ada yang 20.
kindergarten.
Audi.
Jadi aku ngajar di sini, ngajar di SD Persontohan, kemudian ngajar
Itu
di
gampang gini lah.
ngajar di
50.
TK. So in this bimbel, now we have 2 branches here and Merek Raya.
50.
Sometimes I
Tambah
here and
50
Merek Raya.
100 kan? Tambah 20 120.
You know Huzai Huzul.
Tambah 20.
Iya, masalahnya ini Audi.
20.
The next question.
20.
Of course, the education system also develops. What is your mother opinion about the development?
How to develop education exactly in English, yeah? Because English actually is very important for you. Because my time have passed. My time have passed. Waktu itu sudah habis untuk mempersiapkan masa depan. So for all of you, I suggest you to prepare yourself in English. After you graduate from senior high school, I think it's really good if you know English. Easy for you to get the university, to get the new job. So I think try to yourself, prepare yourself by English. That is the develop the education method.
Okay, the next, as one of teaching staff, of course you can understand the student's character. Do developments over time, especially in the field of technology.
Yes, the character of the student is different, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students. You have different characters. Masing kalian mempunyai berbagai 6 orang, kalian 6 karakter sebenarnya. So when I teaching the student like you, so different method and different ways gitu, berbeda pastinya. So how to teach English, how to teach English in different character. I have to know the student one. So if I have known Priyani, if I have known Intan, if I have known each of you, I will be easier to tell you about the knowledge. So how to combine English with technology. So I just suggest the student use the technology in English. For example, I say to my student, try to listen English songs from YouTube. Try to listen Harry Potter English film, English movie from YouTube. Maybe it's the function of technology to improve English. Something like that. That is the example.
Apart from working as teacher, you also provide tutoring and build schools. What is your motivation to being able to go this far?
Actually, my school, we call the name L01 actually, for the basic of the school, because I failed. Fail? Because my failness karena kegagalan saya itu when I took test ke-3K 2 years ago, 2 tahun yang lalu aku tes ke-3K, so I was fail, aku gagal gitu. I was fail is not good because my mark is not pass gitu. But because system is not fair, I think, karena sistem yang tidak pas menurut saya. My point, my value, my mark itu mencapai ambang batas gitu. And if they say the point, I am the worst, but I cannot pass, I cannot get it's like P3K. Enggak, P3K itu karena ada yang certification teacher-nya gitu. So actually I'm really disappointed. Aku kecewa dengan itu. So I try to think how to make something it's like yes, I will not get
Jadi 3.000.
ISM seperti itu. I get something, I do something benefit for myself. So apa yang harus kulakukan dengan gagalnya aku? Terus aku berpikir, and the planning has been a long time. Udah lama sebenarnya itu di planning kan untuk TK itu, tapi because I was fail. So yes, I try with the concept. The little children studied in this kindergarten, belajar di TK ini use English. Kita menggunakan bahasa Inggris di sana metode belajarnya. Jadi for example itu anak-anak 3 tahun, they are 3 years old, 4 years old, 5 years old gitu kan. Mereka umur 3 sampai 5 tahun. They study in our school. Mempelajari contohnya mereka belajar tentang sekolah, jadi mereka mempelajari tentang sekolah itu sudah menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Just try the important thing. What class are you now? What berapa kalian? What class are you? 11 ya. I just know 1, 2, 3. 11 I try to think 6 plus 3 lagi gitu. Aku kan dulu waktu sekolah kan ada kelas 9, kelas 10 ya kan. Jadi aku kelas berapa kira gitu. Kelas berapa aku harus ngitung dulu 6 tambah 3, 9 terus itu berapa? 12. Kelas 2 ya? The second grade ya. Try to find yourself. Coba temukan dirimu sendiri. Sebenarnya apa sih bakatnya gitu. Jangan buang waktu. Don't make your time useless. Your time will not become back. Waktu itu nggak akan pernah kembali. Ya kan?
Aku udah kerjakan PR.
Aku sekarang 41 years old. Aku 1 tahun. Jadi nggak stuck. Aku stuck memangnya nggak ada hal yang bisa aku kecuali aku harus mikir ini bimbel ini harus diapain, ini sekolah ini harus diapain. Nah, you masih banyak. Ada di sini yang juara kelas. Are you the best in your class? Bukan ya. You? Enggak you? Belum.
Jadi 5.000.
Belum. Jadi jangan berkecil hati. Yang sudah the bestnya itu
Jadi 5.000.
coba try to emosinya gitu. Emosi, tau nggak sih no emotion. Ada intelligence itu ada intelligence gitu kan. Itu kan IQ ya. IQ kan. Ada EQ. You know EQ, emotional intelligence. Jadi itu harus berbarengan. EQ dengan IQ itu harus seimbang. If not, you will fail. Banyak nggak kalian temukan yang pintar dulunya waktu sekolah, tapi setelah dewasa nothing gitu, nggak ada apa-apanya, karena nggak ngeliat kenapa? Karena ada yang itu, tapi emosinya enggak. Emosi itu apa? Want to know about everything, try to learn everything. Make your mind is like an empty glass. You know an empty glass. If you meet someone, bikin dirimu seperti gelas yang kosong. Aku mau belajar dari ini, aku mau belajar isi terus. Kosongkan aja gelasmu ketika bertemu dengan orang lain. Jangan langsung kan tahu. Soalnya English nih, this is experience. When I give brochure like that, ini ada brochure belajar bahasa Inggris dong. Ini rumah ayam enggak? Sementara kita enggak, mungkin masih udah tahu tapi sedikit gitu. Kamu kita bahas maybe limited by our yes. How many students here like English? How many students here like English? You like English? You like English? You like English? Yes. Little bit juga. Do you like English? Sedikit ya. Do you like English? Mathematics? No. You like mathematics? Sedikit ya. Sedikit. I like you like yes. No. Little bit. Jadi there is one subject. You get the power. You understand about one subject. You will get your life. You know what I mean? If you like English, gali Inggrisnya. Kamu akan makan dan hidup dari Inggris itu. Kamu do you like matematik, gali matematika. Nggak harus bisa fisika lah. Istilahnya gini. Sekarang kita yang paling dominan itu bahasanya atau matematiknya. Kalau matematik, gali matematikanya. Gak usah belajar Inggris, pintar aja. Kalau pintar bahasa Inggris, di situ gali. Perlu fisika enggak? Bukan kita bilang abaikan, tapi nggak usah maksimal. Apa yang ada dalam diri kita yang mengembangkan. Amerika, education di Amerika, Finlandia, mereka sudah mengajari anak-anak the student mathematics. If the student wants to the teacher doesn't teach English, the student don't like English. It's like teach fish. Do you know fish? Ikan. Yes. It's like teach fish climb the tree. You know the sentence? It's like fish. It's like fish teach climbing the tree. Itu kayak ngajarin ikan manjat pohon, gimana bisa? Jadi kalau matematika nih, kan kita baca Inggris lah kau, fisika kau, biologi kau, bisnisnya kau, semua sendiri. So I suggest you, jangan berkecil hati kamu matematikanya. Untuk tiga, bisa you can make a plus, minus, divided by, and then times. Do you know divided by? Matematika bisa membagi, times itu bisa mengalih, kemudian plus bisa menambah, minus bisa menguras. Udah, gak usah sinus kosinus tangen. Kalau misalnya it's not your passion, kalau enggak itu kan udah. Kan gak harus semuanya bisa fisika. Masa pengusaha harus bisa fisika? Ya. Masa English teacher like me have to know about mathematics? Yes, that is the English. Itu guru matematika, gak bisa juga nanti tersinggung ya. Ya kan? Itu juga ya. Di sini kayak gitu. If the student come, I want to take a course gitu. What subject do you want to study? Belajar apa yang kau mau? Aku mau belajar bahasa Inggris. Oke, mau belajar bahasa Inggris. Aku mau matematika. Oke, matematika gitu. Jangan dipaksa. Aku mau matematika bahasa Inggris. Matematika lah kata mamanya. Aku kadang bingung. Gitu kan. Cintai bidangmu. Get your passion. This suggestion because life is really hard. Hidup susah, hidup itu keras. So if time never come back. Uang itu apa itu tak bisa. Ketika waktumu kayak aku di 23 tahun. How old are you now? 16. How old are you now? 17. 16. Ya 16, 17, 15 ya. Dan 10 years more. What are you 10 years more? Suatu kali kamu bisa jadi apa? Education is not just in your school. Wherever you are, education, yes. Here is education, in your home is education, in your around you also is education. Pendidikan itu nggak hanya sekarang, belajar loh, belajar. If you like cooking, do you like cooking? I like cooking. Like cooking? Cooking. Mid University Tata Boga, yes. Orang many people in Indonesia Tata Boga. Make a cake. Posting in Facebook. Soft skill. You know soft skill? Skill yang harus ada gitu, sesuatu something yang keterampilannya gitu, soft skill. Do you like teaching? Be a teacher. Do you have be a teacher? No, yeah, you teacher? No, you teacher, no. No, teacher is really nice. Work a half time. half day, kerja setengah hari, libur banyak.
Kayaknya kamu sampai ke sana.
What is your ambition?
Masuk jurusan
Jadi aku mau jadi dosen, teacher psikolog ya. Di psikolog.
Tapi dia
Oh, kedinasan. What part of kedinasan? Statistik gitu, pemerintahan gitu kan. Ya, sekarang udah searching loh. Udah tahun lagi persiapannya adalah prepare for this. Still ambition. Tentara, jangan bingung. Begitu harus terarah gitu. You, what is your ambition? Pendeta. Pendeta is need English. Miss, suruh dulu les nih nanti kalau nggak ada. Jadi pendeta setelah pendeta Miss Nirma. Yes, I ever teach pendeta. Terus tolong aku pendeta Miss. Aku tolong dulu aku Miss jenjang karir ini Miss katanya kan. Apalagi teknologi. Jadi kalau kayak ada dulu namanya sini Bang Frans. SMK itu apa yang multimedia gitulah. SMK apa gitu. Tamatan Jawa, melamar ke Kuala Namu, dibawa ijazah apanya IT-nya. Dari orang dalam, will work lah di situ, gitu. Ada orang dalamnya, yang dia bawa ijazah. This is my application letters. Oh ya,
Kok ada permen?
before opening this application letters, the first question is
ada coklat.
Bukan coklat.
No, enggak bisa.
Permen.
Go back home first, study English first, and then come back. Ketok-ketoknya pintu. Miss, tolong Miss, kenapa? Telepon lagi mamanya. Ini try to study English nih. Kejarlah dulu cepat ini. Gitu. 3 bulan, bayar berapa nih kan? How much can you pay me? Kan 3 bulan. Can you teach 3 years? Yes, can. Why not? How much you pay? Kan main kan berapa duitmu gitu kan. Jangan berlewang, jadi jangan sampai kerja. Eta, ini belum ada artinya. Jadi guru lah.
Berolahraga.
Berolahraga ya? Bukan berolahraga. Tentara. Guru manis sekarang bro, kalau bisa ASN. Sejahtera guru sekarang. Sertifikasi guys. Tentukan pilihan. This message. Ini juga kayaknya nggak asing wajahnya. Yeah, do you know me? I know you? No. But it's not. Where's your graduate? You? English is very important. Kalimat ini mengandung promosi. Any question anymore? Yes.
Okay, ma'am. This is the end of our interview.
Before it, on your journey to success in speak English, like now, what is the difficult to speak English?
The difficult in speaking English is from ourselves, from our heart, our willing. That is the big problem. If you can overcome yourself, it's like your laziness, gitu kan. Yes, it's okay. Study English, just willing, keinginan dulu. That is the big problem. If you don't have a willing to study English or to study about anything, impossible. Just willing. If you have willing, ya kalau kamu bisa belajar bahasa Inggris itu, that's the easy one. Here we can finish in 6 months. Di sini kita bisa menyelesaikan speaking Englishnya itu 6 bulan ke 8 bulan. Bicarakan yourself-nya gitu. Terus you harus ketemu, we must meet with exact teacher. Juga harus tutor juga harus yang pas gitu kan. For example like this. When I was children in elementary school, English we didn't get English from elementary school when I was children. Waktu aku anak-anak itu nggak ada belajar bahasa Inggris di SD. Dan in Indonesia now, begin from 2015, 2015 itu dicabut kan Inggris dari kurikulum bahasa Inggris kan. Why Intan kemarin yesterday studied English here? It's because in school there is English kan. You also when you come here, you came here English last year. It's because in your school there is English. So because English there is no in elementary school now. Many parents saying that English is not important. Banyak orang tua berpikir agak dipelajari kok di sekolah gitu. So when we made in junior high school di SMP, ya kan, the student from elementary school boring with English because they don't understand lagi. Mereka nggak ngerti lagi kan di SMP sama dia. Karena di SMP itu kurikulumnya sudah membuat kalimat. Maybe that's the problem of you also. Kalau mereka pernah diajarin mungkin setidaknya nempel, ada nempel. Kenapa tadi? Do you like English? Yes nih, do you like English? Yes nih. Dasarnya dia dapat. Jadi kalau and then after graduate you from junior high school, enter to senior high school, Englishnya makin berat lagi kan, heavy English kan, makin pengaruh lagi, masuk lagi konteks nih kan, narrative text, subjek aja nggak tahu gitu kan, narrative text, hello gitu kan, dia apain yang Indonesia kan gitu kan. So in this course, the little children, elementary school itu yang take a course here, it's come from Katolik. It's because the student here, Katolik, karena anak Katolik itu yang banyak prestasinya. Yang negeri, mereka mikir penting. That's the problem actually. So we have realized ketika kita menyadari bahwa English itu kayak belajar matematika loh sekarang, itu pengetahuan umum. Everybody has known. So, setiap orang harus tahu. Zamannya Miss aja bahasa Inggris seperti itu. Bisa Inggris enggak? Contohnya dari SMK mereka berpikir, ada kemarin yang nanya aku dari SMK, tapi masih bisa les, dia kelas 3. Aku bilang, gimana lagi belajarnya itu? Boleh sih, tapi kamu carilah kawanmu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orang itu satu kelompok gitu kan. Karena di sini belajarnya pun nggak banyak-banyak lagi. Kita belajarnya sih 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orang nih satu orang memang ruangannya kan misalnya memang untuk nggak banyak orang. Tadi kami ada 1, 2, 3, 4. Tadi ada yang belajar bahasa Inggris 1, 2, belajar membaca 1, belajar matematika 1. Jadi tadi siswa kami di sini hanya sekitar 1, 2, 3, 4 kali 6 24 orang. Tapi kami sudah 4 yang menghandle. Karena kami belajarnya ya you gitu. Ketika dia sudah face to face. Jadi yang di sini itu yang belajarnya itu anak-anak tidak tahu. Sometimes I feel so sad because I'm a teacher in the military party. But I persuade them, you know, study English. I don't know what is in their mind. Maybe in their mind banyak uangmu, mungkin lagi pikir gitu kan. Banyak uangmu gitu. I don't know what's there. But actually kayak pelajarin gitu kan. Anak Katolik ya speak English mereka gitu. In school juga mereka sudah belajar bahasa Inggris. Masuk di sini 2 kali seminggu, 3 kali seminggu. Kita belajarnya intens, practice Englishnya ya udah pasti apapun ceritanya. What is the reason? They always in front of us. Gitu. So English I can teach you in 6 months or 8 months. Beres, karena kalau udah kelas 2, kelas 3 itu sudah bisa ngajar lah, ngajar bahasa Inggris gitu. Contohnya tadi Intan, kok bisa ngajar nih? Di merek lah, bawalah di merek itu. Jadi kelas 3 itu, you still remember Miss Aspeni? Do you still remember Miss Aspeni? Miss Aspeni? Miss Penny. Miss Aspeni, time to remember Miss Aspeni. Now, she is a headmaster in international school in Bandung. Miss Aspeni yang dulu, Miss Aspeni, I think you know. Yes, yang minta uang les, ingat ya? Sekarang dia sudah pulang sekolah di Bandung, sekolahnya bukan sekolah negeri lagi, kayak udah kalah aku dia, udah cuma lebih jagoan anak udah akhirnya dia. Dan sekarang sekolah di sekolah internasional, ini semuanya, dia ngomong kasus, lebih jago ya. Terus ada lagi dulu yang kalau misalnya kelas nggak ketemu lagi sama kalian. dia udah jadi warga negara Amerika malah. Dia kerjanya di kapal pesiar, gajinya $2. Terus dia pulang bawa lekau, bawanya sih Miss dari Meksiko nih, nih. Awalnya jangan kan Meksiko, Singapura aja belum pijak kan. Gitu. Jadi life is susah, hidup adalah pilihan. If you want to be success, you will be success. If not,
we apologize. We would like thank you very much for the time and space you have given us to conduct the interview. We also thank you for message conveyed. Hopefully, our success in the future.
Yes.
Thank you.
okay. Don't forget to learn English. Miss, bawa browser mereka ya, Miss. Okay, thank you very much.